Another car. Here to Talking Designs. Hey, go check out the YouTube channel, guys. Go check it out. Thank you for those who have been following me. 350Z 04. I'm gonna throw some paint on this car. It's gonna be a drift car, so not no tedious job. Hopefully done with it tonight. But appreciate you guys following. Hey, go check out the channel. Leave a comment. Give a thumbs up. Let me know you're there. All right. Well, some of you know this car. Some of you know that guy.
What up?
And big old Lancer's back, trying to do his quarantine. But we got a Z to the shop. It's here to get painted, so we're gonna go ahead and offload it and do what we do. Here we go. So the color of this car is gonna be crazy, but this is our next sprint project. Oh, so 350Z drift car belongs to Jordan, the other Jordan, and according to her, the better drifter. Keep me out of it, guys. But hey, we're gonna shoot this with a color that is gonna have everybody go, whoa, you know. But yeah, he said we don't have to strip it down, but I think we better get a better job if we do. So we're done scuffing up and everything. Just taking these pieces off so we can get in there better and get a good paint job on it. So. Well, it's another day. Shut down early last night. Back. Scotch-Brite scuff pad, soap and water. Gonna hit the whole car, let it air dry, wipe it down again, then start taping. Get ready to paint. Fingers crossed, we might be throwing paint tonight or first thing in the morning. So, car's been scuffed, taped up, and Carlos about to do his thing.
No.
Fenders, side skirts, rear mounts, and mirrors in the car, and then we switch side skirts with a bumper and get that done. Alright, so we got bumper, gas cover, and the wing to get done. But it is after midnight and we are tired. About to shut it down, but show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, that's what it looked like. So, gonna come back in the morning, shoot clear, and Jordan can pick it up. Alright? Alright, next day, looking pretty nice. How many coats is that? Oh, first coat of clear. You can see the pearl actually coming out now.